Alright guys, welcome back to Backyard Garage, and this is part 2 of the John Deere revival. And I didn't film much and I didn't talk much, so yeah, I was just eager to start this thing and hear it running, whatever, but I did get some filming of it running and a little bit of it driving, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I feel like I didn't record enough from yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my mom's car up so we can jump start this thing and see how easy it starts up the next day. Alright, let's see how she starts. Hear that bad grinding noise? That's a pulley. As soon as I put in the clutch, it's gone. So, needs new bearings. Started up pretty easily for not running in a long time.